Okay, we're in the city of Jiangmen, and there's kind of references to these movies everywhere. It's called The Knockout. It was a series, and it was filmed in here. And let's just put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we were, but we were just in another video, the last one, we were up there. I'll connect it so that you can see it later if you're interested. But let's just put it up on the map, and then I'm going to continue to tell you more about it and show you guys if you're here yourself. So stay tuned. Jiangmen, China, The Knockout. This movie references everywhere in Jiangmen, and a lot of tourism goes to check it out. And a lot of it is because there's some really beautiful architecture, like some kind of pre-automobile time period. Anyways, I'll get into all that in the video. In the movie, there's posters everywhere. And so we'll just label this one The Knockout. Jiangmen, China, part of Guangdong. Let's do it as if you're there yourself. Okay, so now you saw it up on the map, you saw exactly where we are. I'll walk up here real quick. There's some movie references everywhere. So Knockout, there's even like a Macau scene that looks like, or a gambling casino at least. Jiangmen. I think that must be one of the actresses because I see her everywhere. Okay, so we are going to be walking into this neighborhood down here. They're giving out lemon iced tea, so I got one already. That looks pretty tasty. I guess that's what they were eating when they were on the film set. So maybe that was in here. It does look good. I'm kind of concerned about the music affecting my video, so I'm going to walk out of here. We're going to keep on trying to find stuff that's interesting. I see these fan stuff everywhere. Okay. I think that over there. Here's a heritage sign, but I'm kind of curious about this one. This one looks like it's kind of a Jiangmen specialty. Looks like mushrooms, maybe, the noodles. Jiangmen Huangshan fan. Anyways, these oysters are great in this area. Okay, so that's all the people kind of coming down from the 33 steps area. And now we're gonna just walk through here, show off some of the architecture in this area. And we're gonna be walking towards Lingnan style architecture, which is like a whole little district up here. So we're gonna be seeing that shortly. Hello. Some more interesting stuff. Doing some cool artwork. Okay. There's some more artwork here too. I think this is all Knockout references. I'm glad to see that movie. I'll watch that movie and then I'll be able to speak about it in a different way. Nice. That's one thing I kind of like about China is there's a lot of unique snacks. This one looks like a chuncha one. Looks like black stinky tofu. Okay. Here's one that's kind of a tea restaurant style. We got a car that's coming up here in a moment. This one. Tea restaurant. So that kind of has like a Macau, Hong Kong-ish vibe to it. Okay. So there's a lot of traffic around here. Jiangmen kind of specialties, shrimp with a little paste kind of thing in it. Not sure the reference for that one. But we better go by. Oh, this one looks like it has. That actually looks kind of tasty. Okay, we are gonna try to. Oh, okay. The other time I was here, I saw this marketplace, which is to the left right here. And I really remarked on how clean it was. So it was like amazingly clean for like a red market place with meats and vegetables and things. Look how clean it is. Everything looks so fresh. Prices are so low too. It looks so fresh. You can smell the freshness of it. No, it's like just cut as well. So yeah, this is in Jiangmen too, like a really clean marketplace. Okay, so that's not actually the focus, but so we're gonna walk more to the right and kind of see what else we can see. Some onions too. Ginger. Okay. So we're gonna be walking. There's the guy with let's see what this one is. Oh, punch out. Cheers. Oh, okay. So I think it's like that. Ah, that looks good. Pretty cool. I like this city a lot. I would love to consider living here. Promoting all the different locals around here as well. Let's try to get across here. Some more movie references. Gotta see Knockout. Oh yeah. I think my understanding is a movie series, I think. I should not talk about it since I don't really have the knowledge of it. Electrical power grid there. It's powerful. It's a lot of light ice lemon tea shops everywhere. It's like, you see some kind of the unique stuff, right? It's like egg and spaghetti. Hello. Oh, okay. Let me see. Oh, maybe I'll take a look. I'll just take a look and see. Let me see. Looks nice. Shisha. You got all the movie references too. Shisha. So pretty cool. Bye. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I like this city. Okay, so what I want to do next is complete this one by getting up to where the Jiangmen, the different kind of architectural style is at. Let me see. There's all these kind of cool little alleys everywhere too. I've thought about exploring that, but they're kind of quiet and empty. I think that's sugarcane or bamboo. Let's keep walking this way. Got sewing there. So there's a lot of practical stuff around here too. Okay, now I'm going to get up into that different style of architecture, so I can already see it. This kind of brick that's kind of like black and white. Like there's a whole neighborhood up here that we're going to be getting into that's all that kind of architecture. I like those buildings a lot. I like the fact they're like narrow and then you can get up way up there. So if somebody has that building, they'd have that rooftop up there. Okay. So we are gonna try to go across. Now we can kind of see it from this angle. I guess what I'm gonna do, well, this is a nice angle too, just kind of capturing this. This gives you an idea of the Jiangmen style. I was hoping to see this drastically different architecture, but I don't want the video to go on forever while you try to get there. We'll try to keep it as interesting as possible. You can see, it's kind of cool architecture though. And check out this one on the corner right there. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to see the architecture up on the corner, and then we'll just come to an end for our video. Oh, look at that, there's like a Thai restaurant right there too. Oh, it's so cool. Let's see what that sign says too. Okay. So that's going to be that sign right there. So I guess that's probably like a Jiangmen sign. There's a guy who's watching to see what I'm filming. He's over there. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna walk a little bit further and then we're gonna end the video. I just want to see the transition from different styles. And as long as there's enough activity and cool stuff, then it should be easy to do. Cool. You see it? Chickens over there. So I guess they have a chicken restaurant. Okay. So let's come to an end up here so you can see what this street looks like, and I can see it too. Okay. So that's the street we just came down. This is another busy street. And we're gonna just, I can already see the ending of our street where it transitions up by this bridge. So I want to get to that spot. Yeah, maybe just end it right now. So stay tuned if you want to see more. I'll get into that other neighborhood next. Some different types of architecture as well. It's hard to put the camera away because there's continually kind of more interesting stuff and people coming, so. And then we do walk out of this neighborhood and it does change. What a blouse right there. And there they go. Family. So we are going to end it at this corner. I'll just walk over here. And then yeah, this is kind of what I wanted to share briefly, is there's all these like a different neighborhood kind of feel. Coffee shops on the corner. And then we get into all this different Lingnan style architecture that's going to be up here just a little tiny bit. Cool music up there. So that's going to be the next video of walking around up in this neighborhood. And I think that's all called like Lingnan style architecture. So yeah, that'll be next. So stay tuned to watch the next Lingnan video. and I'll be strolling through here, and I got some other ones I'm gonna be strolling through too. This really kind of cool hipster bohemian area, so so you get more of a taste of Jiangmen as well. Okay.
Bless you, Jiangmen. Just tell me when I'm gonna Jiangmen. Just tell me when I'm gonna Jiangmen.